What's up guys, for today's video I got another very unique folding knife. Let's see what I got this time. This is CRKT knife. Let's open it up and boom. This side here explains you what it's all about. You see, if you in the forest you got it dirty, or if you're on the beach, every time you get a little bit of sand in a folding knife, every time you folding it and unfolding it, you will hear that sand. A really nice blade, as you can see, high quality knife, but how would you unfold it? What you do, I guess you can keep it closed so that way you don't cut yourself. Fold this way, and then right here it doesn't even look like a screw. You just start spinning it all the way out. Boom. 1, 2, 3 pieces right here. And just like in the video, that way you can wash it off, rinse it off, dry it off, maybe oil it up a little bit. And then to put it back together, all you have to do is just put it like that, or like close it like this. Depends how you like to do it. And then push it together, everything, as you can see. And then spin this one the other way. I think you want to help it out in the beginning. There you go. I was spinning it the wrong way. That screw went in. I love how the screws will not get lost. And then push this together. That's it. And then you have a really nice knife right here. I really love this finger guard. Whenever you push it up, you see, you're not going to cut yourself by mistake. It'll stop it automatically. And one more time. Really quickly, take apart knife. One. First time I was showing it to you slowly. Boom. Take it apart, 3 pieces, put it back together. Kinda wanna push it in place. There you go. Make it tight, so there's no wiggle room. This sometimes could get a little bit tight too. Works every time. Love it. Super awesome, unique folding knife, easy to take apart for dirty jobs or work in the sand. Love it. I actually need your help to find more unique knives for me to put to the test and put it into my collection. They're pretty hard to find, very unique ones, because there is a millions, seems like, knives, regular folding knives, so they kind of mixed in with lots of unique ones, and they're like Easter eggs. You have to find them, and it's so hard to find them now that I have found so many. So help me out by commenting below the names of folding knives, or maybe send a little picture on Facebook with the name of the folding knife, so that way I know what it is, and maybe I can find it on eBay. Most of them sold out already, and they're very expensive. So that would help me and save a lot of time looking for these very unique knives. I just love them so much. Hopefully you guys enjoying these videos as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.